Inside lib folder, create a file named mainpage.dart. Inside it, create a stateful widget named main page. Inside main file, set main page as home. In main page, create scaffold widget. Inside it, create app bar widget. Use title property and pass it row widget. Set main axis size to minimum. Now create two text widgets. Type application name in both widgets. Now, run the app as Windows application. Inside first text widget, use text style widget and set font weight 600. Set text color to blue. And set font size to 22. Now copy this style property and paste it inside second text widget. Set text color to orange. Set center title to true inside the app bar widget.